We're here at this lakefront luxury home that was built in 2004 by John Biddle. Welcome to 105 Tryon Bay Circle, Lake Lure, North Carolina. Walk through the foyer of this private residence and you'll enter the kitchen and living room, seamlessly overlooking Lake Lure. From the kitchen, we'll head up the stairs to the master suite. Here, you can take in the natural lighting from the windows and over the balcony overlooking Lake Lure. Just off the spacious dining room, there is a balcony to enjoy a relaxing time by the lake. At the end of the hall, we have the laundry room and a spacious full bathroom. Each bedroom provides its own access to the lake. Just 5 steps, you're down to the lake level and your boat with a power lift. This is a perfect deck with a jumping dock to enjoy some time on the lake with your friends and family. I'm Rosie with the Pullman Group at Weichert Realtors Unlimited.